Hey you guys, we have a Black Friday TikTok live stream today. I just found out it's 2 hours. Sydney and I got a beautiful schedule. Let me show it to you. Let me go find it. My mom taking pics. Hi. So this live, we have a little schedule, a live stream plan. And it's kind of just to help us pace. I forget to mention all the beautiful deals we have going on. So this will be what we're living by. And we're gonna kill it, Sid. Woo!
Not
Live stream on
the back of this
TikTok.
golden ticket card.
Founders of Wildflower Headquarters. Just use this
Yeah.
one.
Beep it up.
Check out.
Deb, there's apples.
So we just found out that we're gonna go to our favorite pizza place after the live as our reward.
Set the phone.
We're on TikTok Live because it's
Set it somewhere.
Black Friday. Someone ordered Polar Bear
I was just gonna say,
Princess.
someone already ordered.
Sydney has
Polar
that
Bear
on her
Princess.
phone right now.
This is.
We have a golden ticket and then we place them in special orders and it's a voucher for a free case. We're not gonna leak the code this year. For those who don't know what happened, I accidentally leaked our
She showed
free
the
case code.
People used it. We're gonna start with a mini warehouse tour. Welcome to the Wildflower Warehouse tour.
We organize by phone size. So this is the 14 Pro section.
It goes all the way up.
It goes all the way up.
Here at the Wildflower Warehouse, we start Christmas as soon as possible.
Oh my gosh, look at the elves.
Here we have
Packing
our
orders. The hats.
Very festive.
I heard Santa was gonna stop by.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna sit and chat about some serious business.
20% off all accessories. All accessories. Camera bling.
AirPod. To match.
Here.
AirPod Maxes. You guys. Walking
Look at-
around with this. Also with the matching case. We are gonna put some on to demonstrate how they work. Take them out. Now this goes on this one. Lock it in.
Gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, it's so.
I think it's really cute when people decorate their
AirPod Maxes.
AirPod Maxes and like tie little bows on them. So
Arts and crafts.
I'm gonna try it out today. I mean,
Come on.
come on. Like,
Match. Stop. That's so cute. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Which girly are you?
oh, we should put a bow on that side.
Yeah, let's put a bow on this side. Honestly, it's kind of cute to have two different. Like, I'm kind of into both.
Wait, let me tie it.
Mix matching. Really cute print. I am obsessed with the mix match. I think I'm gonna put two different ones on my AirPod Maxes.
Oh my God, bees pulling these out of your bag.
We have a special guest in the warehouse.
Santa's here.
Christmas orders today.
Yes, we are.
Santa.
I came to help.
Yay! Santa's got gifts for our orders that we're gonna hand out.
Who's that?
Sid.
Luxie on our list.
We're giving away some freebies. A laptop.
Whoa.
Wildflower socks.
Wow.
Ooh, let's do this one. This is a big order.
Who's it for?
Oh my gosh, Kadu.
Kadu.
Yay!
Merry Christmas, Kadu.
Laptop case.
Should we
We can pack.
pack up orders? Oh, I miss packing orders. This is literally my favorite job.
It is really fun.
Something's therapeutic about it.
These stickers are so cute. Look at this one. I'll show you some of the stickers. This cute lullaby lambs.
I'm writing that I packed it too.
Oh.
They're exciting.
Oh no, we're
Around
about
the
to
room
start
again.
something
What?
crazy.
What?
Oh. The time has
Jacob in Washington. Wait, I love this case. Bunnies and bows.
What do we got next? Maisie in Los Angeles.
Maisie, do you love me?
Morgan in Oregon.
Morgan in Oregon.
Yeah, Morgan in Oregon.
This is going straight to you.
Morgan in Oregon.
Okay. Ivy in San Diego.
Ivy in San Diego.
Ivy in San Diego.
You get a free case.
You can do these ones.
Oh, those are for me?
These are for you.
Please.
Okay, be very Devon. I swear. I swear. Douglas.
Douglas
Louisiana.
in Louisiana. Okay, wait. I'm really nervous. Hey, Mom. Let's do whoever ordered Enya's case.
Okay.
Crystal in California.
Taylor Giovach's Yes is on sale. I think her case is over here somewhere.
Oh, these are the collab cases that we have on sale. Some of them. Salem, Taylor, and Nessa. Enya
cute.
is also on sale. It's not up here.
Move it right there.
Free.
I wonder if this could be cute on.
Ooh.
Let me get a little funky. Okay, this is how we apply the furry charms. Is you unclip it. We have a little clip. Then you clip it back. Got it.
Cute.
So cute.
Or AirPod Max. Hey.
We also have our pink leopard, or pink, am I okay?
leopard.
Leopard print fuzzy heart. I added this charm to this.
Oh my gosh.
La 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 la.
We should take photos in that.
Yeah, like,
Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate how to put on camera bling on my phone because I wanted to put a different color bling on, so I took mine off. Demonstration. First, give your camera a nice cleanse with your sweater. Let's see if I can do this right. It's a lot of pressure. So I took the back off, and the back is sticky. Like when you take it off, it just has the bling right there. And it kind of like locks into these in place. Like you put it on and it like, yeah, you can feel it when it's in the right spot. Like, okay, it's on there. Push. Get it really good.
yeah. Can I give a little push
Yeah,
too?
please give your push. Careful of my phone. Give it a nice stick on there. This is how you put camera bling on.
Just make sure it's on
Now,
there. Is it on
you
there?
lift.
Ah, it works! How cute is that? Okay, you guys, come on, please. Pretty. I didn't know you had the purple phone.
Pretty. Is it purple? I don't know. And look.
Oh, Santa's coming back.
Uh-oh, I think Santa's coming back.
Audrey.
Oh my gosh.
We have Caitlin.
Caitlin. Oh my gosh. Caitlin, I remember, has been a really, really, really good girl this year. I think Caitlin needs a new laptop back.
Nice.
Rose latte love.
All right, well, we
Some
got a
good
couple
ones.
more in here. We got to get rid of these gifts for these guys.
Should we go through the? Let's do this one. Oh, this is a big order. Emma
Emma.
in Delaware ordered the Martin case and Daisy.
Nice laptop
Oh,
back
is
for
getting
Emma.
a Groovy Shrooms laptop case. Oh shit!
Not a scratch on the phone. It's Wildflower case.
The phone survived the drop. What's your favorite case you've created this year, Sydney?
I'm trying to look around for inspo. I really like the Lullaby Lamps case.
Me
This
too.
reminded me. This is what it looks like.
I really love the way that Taylor's case turned out.
Taylor's case is really
And it's on
special
sale
and
right
cute.
now.
There's so much detail in it.
I think you just packed my order, someone said.
No way.
I'll give it a kiss. Thank you so much for joining us today, Santa.
We are here with
How are you?
Mr. Claus himself.
What have the kids been asking for the most this year, Santa?
Surprisingly, the new AirPod accessories.
Oh!
AirPod accessories. You heard it first from Santa. Thank you, Santa.
Thank you guys. Merry Christmas.
Wildflower cases are on everybody's Christmas list. Thanks for joining us on this year's Black Friday Wildflower Madness.
Make sure to shop.
Wildflowercases.com. Sale ends Monday. We'll see you later.